Hello guys, welcome in today's video, and in this tutorial you will learn about the Python variables and how to use them efficiently. In our previous tutorial we learned about the basics of Python. In case you missed that video, we have a link down below. You can check this out. What is a variable in Python? When you develop a program, you need to manage values, sometimes a lot of them. To store values, you use variables. In Python, a variable is a label that you can assign a value to it, and a variable is always associated with a value. Suppose, for example, in this example, message is a variable. It holds the string hello world. The print function shows the message hello world to the screen. The next line assigns the string goodbye to the message variable. Print its value to the screen. Here the variable message can hold various values but at different times, and its value can change throughout the program. Creating variables. To create a variable, you need the following syntax. Here, the equal to is the assignment operator. In this syntax, you can assign a value to a variable name. The value can be either like a number, a string, etc. that you assign to a variable. Suppose the following defines a variable name counter and assign the number 1 to it. Naming variables. When you name a variable, you need to follow some rules. If you don't, you'll get an error. The following are the variable rules that you should keep in mind. Variable names can contain only letters, numbers and underscores. They can start with a letter or an underscore, not with a number. Variable names cannot contain spaces. To separate words in the variable, you can use underscores. For example, shorted list. Variable names cannot be same as keywords, reserved words and built-in functions in Python. The following guidelines help you define a good variable name. Variable name should be conscious and descriptive. For example, the active user variable is more descriptive than AU. The underscores to separate multiple words in the variable name. Avoid using the letter L and the uppercase letter O because they look like 1 and 0.